Hello everyone, welcome to OJ Patterns. So today we'll be working on that manipulation, and that manipulation can be defined as the movement of that from one position of the bodies to another to create a different style line, contour, and fullness. Okay, so we'll be transferring the dart to the center front. Remember, the first thing you need to do is indicate where you want to transfer your dart to. So we're transferring to center front. I'm gonna place it on my paper like this. Next, mark out the first dart leg. Next, what you want to do is trace out from the first dart leg, following the edge of your pattern, and then you stop at where you marked. This is it. Next, I'm gonna use my thumb tack to indicate the hole where we have the waist tip, like the waist dart, and then where we have the through bust point. Now, this is the through bust point. You hold it down and then you move. So don't forget the other ones because we have it here. So you have to trace it to wherever you have your new dart position marked. Now this is where I have it. That's why we're stopping here before we would tilt our pattern or move it clockwise. So I'm gonna move it till the second leg is meeting where I marked the first leg. This way, you hold it down and then you continue marking from here. Don't forget we retrace first to the first one. So now I'll continue marking from here. You can always use this method or use the other method I showed, whereby you now use your ruler to complete it. So the way what I'm marking is showing that my waist, that's where it is. And I'll continue tracing. Please be careful. You want to ensure your pattern is as neat as possible. And I'll raise it up. Now see, this is where it opened up. Next, I'm going to let me mark this to bring it out. Yep. Okay, so this is where our thumb tap stops. So this is the waist tip that I'll connect it down this way and this way. That's the waist that. Now the shoulder that we've already transferred it to center front. So we'll have this and we'll have this. Next, connect your shoulder line straight. You always have to remember, you always have to note that you have to connect your shoulder line straight up. So this is it. Now this is our center front and this is our side seam. Please indicate always on your pattern. So I'm gonna draw the diagram how it will turn off at the end of the day. So for this one part is gonna be on fold, either the top or the bottom part. When you want to cut, you know, but it's if the down is gonna be on fold, that means you have a seam line at the top this way, and then the center front that is going this way. So this is how that is going to come out. Please note, there's something I need to explain to you. When you're sewing, like when you cut out and you want to sew, you have to take back like 2 cm in order to create a new dark leg. So that subsequent time I would explain that 2 cm is so that by the time you are sewing this dart point, this is your through bust point, which is like your nipple point. So it will not be too pointed. If you start sewing from here, it's gonna be pointed. But if you take back like 2 cm and then you connect it back to your dart legs, that way you are moving it a bit away from the nipple point, which would help. But now for the pattern, we're gonna use the through bust point so we don't get confused. So we've done like 3 dots, moving 3 dots position. So I'm gonna do another one. So transferring it using the pivot method. So let's transfer to where neckline is not the neckline. So I'm gonna choose a position around the neck that I want to transfer it to. So I'll transfer it to the neck tip this way. So this is where I want to transfer my dart to. So place it. Now this is your first dart leg. You have to indicate it. Now you trace from here to where you want the dart. So this is it. Stop here. Now use your thumb tack on the waist tip and use your thumb tack on the through bust points. You just need to mark this before you move. Now move your pattern. So the second dart is meeting where you mark for the first dart, and then you continue here all the way. Trace, please trace neatly. Make sure you trace neatly. You want to ensure your pattern comes out very neat. Let's be careful. And voila. So it has opened up at the neck. So what I want to do is connect my waist dart. Now connect from through bust point to the new opening of your dart. Complete your shoulder like this. So we have the side seam here and we have the center front. And then you can draw the diagram. So anyone that have it would understand. So this is how your dart is gonna turn up at the end of the day. So this is it. Because we did it on, don't forget the cotton foot part, so we did it at the tip of the neck, so it's gonna come out like this, and then you have your waist dart down here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. So the same thing you can do is, oh, you can always transfer either to the waist, wherever you want, transfer to different position. That's the idea. And thank you. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, please. Thank you.